How to fix dim, faded, or grayed out time and date on your iPhone lock screen. So if you want to fix your dim, faded, or grayed out time and date on your iPhone lock screen, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with your lock screen. Now here you need to tap and hold on to your lock screen, go with customize, which will be in the bottom. Now tap on time. From here, try changing the colors and see if that resolves your issue. Sometimes changing the colors can brighten the date and time on your lock screen. If this doesn't work out, then let's move on to the next method, which is force restart. A simple reboot can fix this process. It can often fix display issues like the dimmed lock screen. Follow along and let's get started. If you have an iPhone X or any other new model, then here's how you can perform a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button, and press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Once it boots up back, you need to check your lock screen and see if the time and date are now clear and fully visible. If the force restart doesn't solve the problem, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone, and don't worry, it won't reset any other things, just your settings. So open up your settings and then scroll down a bit, go with general. Under general, you need to scroll down again and then go with transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on reset, which will be in the bottom, and then choose reset all settings. This might help clear up the dimmed lock screen issue if a forced restart alone don't work. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.